Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G82, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here, called Battery Saver. Once you locate it, you can simply tap on it, select Turn On, and there we go, we're done. Power saving mode is now enabled. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, I believe you can plug in your device to charging, and this will turn it off, but you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on the toggle once again, and as you can see, it turns off without any problem. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.